Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine, Gabbia Pulta. To prepare this recipe, firstly we'll be taking a small portion of banana stem or plantain stem and chopping them into thin slices. While chopping into thin slices, we can find some excess fiber coming out. You can roll them with your finger and discard them. Now chop further into fine pieces and immediately shift them into a bowl full of water to avoid discoloration. Next, take a bowl and add 1 cup of finely chopped banana stem or plantain stem, salt as per taste, 2 to 3 green chili finely chopped. Mix this well using your hand and set this aside for minimum 1 hour. After 1 hour, squeeze the excess water out of it. You can either discard the water, but here I have retained it as such. Next, take a bowl of thick curd and whisk well with the help of a fork or a whisker before further use. Now add the curd and mix everything well. Next, take a kadai and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 to 3 dried chili, handful of curry leaf, and prepare the tempering. Now your delicious Gabbia Pulta is ready. Transfer this into a serving dish and add the prepared tempering into it. So do try this simple weight loss recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.